Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a cocktail called the Old Cuban Cigar. All right, as you can see here, I have got my cocktail shaker. It's filled with ice. We're going to add 2 ounces of rum. Then we're going to add about an ounce of simple syrup. Then about an ounce of lime juice. A couple of dashes of bitters. And then pop the top on and give this a shake. And then pour this into a glass. But we're not quite done yet. And then you want to add and top this off with some sparkling wine, Prosecco, champagne, whichever. And that's that. The Old Cuban Cigar. Done.